Just a quick tip on using the overlay function that's built into Bluebeam. If you're not used it before, it's a function where you can overlay one drawing over another. And just to show you that in demonstration, I've got a basement level and a ground level drawing here. I want to lay the ground floor over the basement, just so when I'm doing my evaluation I can continue on from what I've done in the basement. So to do this, you need to go into Document, Overlay Pages, dialog box will pop up, and what it's offering you here is to pick the colour that the basement level is going to render in, and also the colour that the ground floor level is going to render in. I'm just going to quickly change that ground floor from green to blue. Okay, now just because these drawings have come from the same architect doesn't necessarily mean that they're in the same position on the A1 page. So what you need to do is align some points, otherwise this isn't going to work. So click the align points. Now it says here, choose 3 points on the document for manual alignment, and for best results choose points near the corners of the document. Also remember, and this is important, you need to choose the points in the same order on all documents. So if I show you that, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to grab that corner, and you can see there it's appended a little 1. I'm going to go here, I'm going to go number 2, I'm going to go opposite, and I'm going to go on that corner there and I'm going to grab it using my crosshairs, number 3. Spits me out into the next drawing. Now if you zoom in closely you can see where the points on the basement were made. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So this drawing, this the way it's been laid out on the page, is not in the same spot. So the aligned points will get over that. So if we click point 1 and then again point 2, finally point 3, click OK. Takes a couple of minutes depending on the quality of the drawings and speed of your processor and what have you, but in a minute we should get spat out into a third drawing that's superimposed the ground floor over the basement floor, and we've got something to compare if it gets there. Here we go. Right, so if you zoom in now you can kind of see, so I can see that on the ground floor my balconies protrude. I've got these little returns, very helpful for visualizing things from floor to floor, and of course you can go ahead and mark up and do all you normally want to do with these. I hope that helps.